What is this you've made for us right here?
No. I do it.
Do that? Let's look at your creation here. That is a wonderful sandwich. Raisin bread, peanut butter, ketchup, almonds, and still in the shell, pistachios.
She already ate the cheese off it.
We ate the cheese off it already?
Yep.
You're quite the cook.
Daddy, I will see me.
Huh?
I will see me.
I want to see you? Is that better? Hey, you. Hey, Ronnie, what's that right there?
Careful.
What is that? Did you make that? It's looking pretty good. Hi, baby.
Yeah, I made that.
You made that. It's yummy. Ah! This is Heck with Martha Stewart. We got Madison Lavin's Country Kitchen going here. Woo! Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Up here, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
See you later. See you next time. Say same station, same channel. Oh, but don't hit the wall. Don't hit the wall.